Now, we got your net income 68,250. After getting net income, what is the next procedure for NI? You have to go for what is the value of equity. What is capitalization rate? Cost of capital, we can call it as capitalization rate. 750 minus 160 divided by your cost of equity, you will get this answer. How much you get? 36,87,500 for Y unlevered form and X levered form. Levered form is they have debenture, they doesn't have debenture. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adarsh sir here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are in the session 10 of your topic called Financial Management. Under Financial Management, we are discussing capital structure. Now, under capital structure, what we are doing now? Under capital structure, we were discussing about NI and NOI approach. Now, NI means net income approach. NOI stands for net operating income approach. Now, in the previous session, we worked out almost 2 to 3 problems on NI as well as NOI. In a single problem, if you get both the concept, how to work out. And your net income is not given, we are supposed to find out and we have to go for further. These kind of problems, if you get, how do we solve? And in today's session, we will work out about NI and NOI approach. The agenda is very simple. We'll go with concept, along with we'll go for problem. Your problem number 1, NI and NOI approach. Now, two companies X and Y. So before we get into the problem, we'll understand the concept. We'll understand the question. Now, two companies X and Y. We have X and we have Y. Are in the same risk class and also identical in respect, except that X Limited uses debt while Y Limited does not. See, X Limited have debentures and Y Limited doesn't have debentures. Remember. Now, the levered company has 4,50,000. Levered means only X we are talking about. So, how much debentures they have? 4,50,000. Debenture carrying 10% rate of interest. Both the companies earns 20% operating profit. What is the operating profit? We have 20%. 20% should be calculated on what? 20% should be calculated on your total asset. Whatever you have, profit on total asset means on this you are supposed to calculate. Now, assume perfect capital market, rational investors and so on. There is tax rate of 35%. What is the rate of tax? We have 35% and the capitalization rate is 15% for all equity company. What is capitalization rate? Cost of capital, we can call it as capitalization rate. Now, we have all the information. You are required to find the value of the companies X and Y under NI approach, net income approach. Now, compute the value of each company using NOI approach. Now, each company we have to go for NOI and first we have to find out NI. Now, we'll go for your normal calculation because the net income is not given in the question. Now, how do we go for? Like, first we'll go with EBIT, earning before interest and tax. What is your EBIT? So, you have value of 7,50,000 on the 20%. 7,50,000 on the 20%, you will get how much? 1,50,000 and 1,50,000. It is common for X as well as Y. Once you're done with this, you have to minus interest. You have to minus what? Interest. Now, interest is how much? I'll go for this. Your debenture value is 4,50,000. 4,50,000. On that, we should calculate what is the interest portion, 10%. 4,50,000 into 10%, it will be 45,000. Hope you are clear. Yes, 4,50,000 into 10%, it will be 45,000. Now, but we take only for x, not to the y. Why? Because in the question they have mentioned that debenture applicable only for x, not for y. 1,50,000 minus 45, we got 1,05,000. Fine. 1,05,000, your tax is 35%, 36,750. From 1,05,000, how do we calculate the tax? 1,05,000 into 35%. For the second one, 1,50,000 into 35%. If you calculate, you will get all this answer. Now, you get 36,750 and 52,500. Minus this, you will get 68 and you will get 97,500. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, we got your net income 68,250. After getting net income, what is the next procedure for NI? You have to go for what is the value of equity. Equity value is how much? Your net income divided by your cost of equity. Net income 68,250 divided by your cost of equity is how much? 5%. Where do we get this 5%? I'll come back. So it must be 15%, not 5%, because your cost of equity, it is given how much? 15%. It is already there. So we have 15%, that is equity, not cost of capital, because they have mentioned that for all equity. Equity means cost of equity. Now, so we have 0.15%, 0.15%. Your value divided by your percentage, value divided by your percentage. If you calculate this, your equity is how much? 4,55,000. Your answer. For that, you should, if you want to find out your value under NI approach, what we are supposed to do? This plus debenture, you will get value. For first one, we have debenture. For second one, we don't have debenture. Your value is 6,50,000. Your value is 9,05,000. Hope you are clear. Yes, 9,05,000 as per X and 6,50,000 as per Y. So we're done with your NI approach actually. So we'll go for next. Continuation of NI. Y unlevered form and X levered form. Now, EBIT 1 minus 3 divided by cost of equity. 1,50,000 we have EBIT. Yes. 1 minus tax is 0.35. Yes. After calculating divided by cost of equity, you will get how much for Y? You will get 6,50,000. Hope you are clear. Yes. The same thing if you go for Y. For X, value of unlevered form 6,50,000. Along with that, we have 4,50,000 of debenture also. What is the percentage? 0.35. 0.35. Your tax, if you calculate, you will get 8,07,500. Hope you are clear. So this is all your calculation under NI approach for Y unlevered form and X levered form. Levered form means they have debenture, they doesn't have debenture. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now we'll go for problem number 2. From the following information of company, find out the market value of the shares and market value of the firm. Total investment is 50 lakh. Net operating income. Operating income is how much? 7,50,000. Cost of equity. When firm uses no debenture, 14%. When the firm uses 8% debenture, 20 lakh. When the firm uses 10% debenture, it is 30 lakh at 18%. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now we'll go first one, NI approach. NI approach is what? NI divided by cost of equity. What is the NI? Your net income they have given It is 7,50,000. Cost of equity is how much? As per the first one, it is 14%. 7,50,000 divided by 14%, you got 53 lakh. 57,143. Say 7,50,000 divided by 0.14, you got 53 lakh 57,143. What is the value of the firm? You have to add debenture, but when the firm uses no debenture, then what happens? It will be 0. This plus this, you get answer of 53 lakh 57,143. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, the second part will be you're using debenture. You're using debenture. Now, when the firm uses 8% debenture of rupees 20 lakh. Now, will come for this EBIT minus interest divided by cost of equity. So when the firm uses 8% debenture of rupees 20 lakh at 16% equity. Now, if it is 16% equity, what happens? Now, we'll go for second one. 7,50,000 will be your EBIT and interest. Do you have interest? Yes. So how much? It will be 20 lakh into 8%. Now, it will be 20 lakh into 8%, you will get 1,60,000. 7,50,000 minus 1,60,000 divided by your cost of equity, you will get this answer. How much you get? 36,87,500. Now, plus you have debenture, yes, add both, you will get value of the firm 56,87,500. Hope you are clear. What is the value of the firm? Find out the value of equity, add debenture, you will get value of the firm. Now, and the third one, if you go 10% debenture and 18% equity. What is the debenture value? 30 lakh. We'll go for that. Now, 10% debenture means your 30 lakh into 10%, you will get around 3 lakh as interest. EBIT is 7,50,000 minus 3 lakh. It will be your, how much you will get? 4,50,000. What is the equity? It is 18%. So it will be how much? 25 lakh. You will get 7,50,000 divided by 3 lakh divided by minus 3 lakh divided by 0.18. You will get 25 lakh. Now, your 25 lakh you got. Do you have debenture in this problem? Yes. 25 lakh plus 30 lakh, you will get around 55 lakh as your answer. This is the value of the firm. So there are three things they have given. If there is no debenture, if there is 8% debenture, if there is 10% debenture, what will be the value of the firm? We have done for all three, easy calculation, and I'll go for all the slides so that you can take screenshot. So this will be your problem number 1, your solution part, your continuation of solution. Problem 2, your solution part, your solution part 2, solution part 3. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood what is NI approach and what is NOI approach. So please work out this properly for your examination purpose. Thank you.